Hello, Professor. My name is Reddy Suram. I'm doing operating systems in your guidance, and here is my presentation. My project name was operating systems for smartwatches. Let me share my screen. Yeah, operating system for smartwatches. The history of the smartwatches are the first digital watch was a pulsar LED, a prototype created in 1972 by Hamilton Watch Company, and the electro data included, and the pulsar wrapped in 18 karat gold cost $2,100. Later, Samsung was among the first firms to launch smartwatches to the Android market. The business was the first to uh, create a watch with communications capability in 1999. The SPH W10 and a monochrome LCD screen and could have a conversation for 90 minutes using its inbuilt speakers and microphone. The introduction of operating system is a piece of uh, software that serves as a user interface for computer hardware. Many people now consider smartwatches to be a necessary item, and the market is expanding quickly. Operating systems for these devices have become a crucial component of the market due to the rise and the demand for smartwatches. Smartwatch operating systems control several features, including voice commands, fitness monitoring, and notification management. With prominent companies including Google Wear OS, Apple Watch OS, the Samsung Tizen OS, the market for wristwatch operating system is highly competitive. These operating systems have special features and abilities tailored to meet users for various needs. What is smartwatch OS? While others require a wireless connection to an internet connection device, typically a smartphone, smartwatch operating systems is functioning programmed, created, or redesigned to match the needs of portable computers, which can vary gently from one device to another. For instance, many smartwatches connect to a user smartphone to launch a web interface. If that the case of portable operating systems is just a mobile operating system that has been adapted to work with the clock has a user-friendly interface. The types of operating systems for smartwatches. Wear OS. Wear OS is a version of Google Android operating systems designed for smartwatches and other wearable devices, and it is released in 2014. The Apple Watch OS. It is designed specifically for the Apple Watch wearable devices. It was released in 2015. Fitbit OS. Fitbit OS is a company's proprietary operating system created by Fitbit company. Tizen OS. It is an open source operating system built on the Linux kernel and offered in versions for multiple mobiles and embedded platforms. It is released in 2018. The German Watch OS is focusing on the fitness side of wearables, and it is released in 2007. The design and implementation. The requirements for setting up the specification is the first stage of developing a smartwatch. Uh, it includes the figuring out the smartwatch features and some capabilities and some essential specifications for smartwatch include display, battery, processor, sensors, connectivity, and operating systems. The smartwatch's hardware needs to be designed in order to do this. The printed circuit board must be designed and the enclosure must be made depending on the needs and the features of the hardware. Smartwatch can differ. The firm is the program that the smartwatch uses the function of the operating systems, drivers, and the applications are all the part of it. For wristwatch to function smoothly and effectively, the firmware must be turned to the hardware, Wear OS, Tizen, and the Watch OS are just a few operating systems that can be used at the foundation of smartwatches firmware. The app that runs the app that runs on the user's smartphone or tablet is a companion app. It is used to just setting view notifications and configure the smartwatch. Both iOS and Android platforms are uh, available for the companion apps development. Once the hardware and software have been created, the prototype must be tested to make sure it satisfies the specifications. This involves evaluating dependability, performance, and functionality. Various techniques such as user testing, stress testing, equality assurance can be used during the testing process. The smartwatch can be made after the prototype has been examined and authorized. This includes allocating the components, putting the PCB, uh, the process control uh, unit together, producing the finished item. After it has been produced, a smartwatch may be sold on the market. This covers customer service, sales, and the marketing. And this is the product concept. It has the compensated compass and the map rotation, position detection, motion functions, free fall detection, pedometer, impact recognition, and the vibration monitoring. The advantages of the smartwatch accessibility. Accessibility means that uh, it yeah, it quick access to the information and the applications tied to your wrist. Uh, Health monitoring. It monitors your heart rate and also the calories. Fitness tracker. Fitness tracker means it should be check the heart rate and the calories that how much you burnt. GPS. It means it shows the location. It shows the location. Quick replies. It will gives the quick replies without using the smartphones. Entertainment. It will be used for listening to music and playing the games. And the disadvantages of the smartwatches are price. The prices is very high for the smartwatch. The battery, it will be drained very fast. Bluetooth connectivity. The range of the mobile is very far. It will be disconnected immediately. Never replace the smartphones. It cannot be replaced with the smartphones. The future of the smartwatches. The most significant feature of the smartwatches will be their ability and the health with sensors that can be show signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen level. Smartwatches will become an essential tool for healthcare professionals. Smartwatches will also be able to detect early warning signs of illness such as diabetes, cancer, allowing early intervention and treatment. Smartwatches can analyze data from other sensors such as GPS, heart rate monitors to provide personalized recommendations for improving fitness and achieving goals. The integration of augmented realization technology into the smartwatches to open up new possibilities, entertainment, gaming, education. Smartwatches with AR capabilities could be used to enhance the museum exhibits, provides interactive learning experience, or even create immersive gaming environments. These are the references for my project. Thank you.